own a digital marketing agency and I'm running different ads to receive new leads for my business. So here I wanted whenever a new lead is received for my business, instantly it should be added as a new contact inside my Google Contacts account. But now manually adding the leads into Google Contacts as a new contact takes a lot of time, and sometimes I used to miss some of them too. In that case, I set up a simple automation that automatically captures the new leads from my lead ads application and add them as a new contact inside my Google Contacts account. Sounds magical, right? So here I've set up a simple automation connecting my Google Ads with my Google Contacts. Now whenever I receive a new lead through my Google Ads, instantly that lead is added as a new contact inside my Google Contacts account. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount on making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount irrespective of any other coupon code. So go and get yours now. And for your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now you have to sign in and you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select create from scratch, or else if you want to build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chat and now here it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. Let me add it. It says when a new lead comes in from Google Ads, add it to Google Contacts. So here I've selected my ad application as Google Ads, but you can select it as per your requirement. Then it is asking which Google Ads trigger should start this workflow. So let's select new lead form entry, and for Google Contacts, I'm going to select create contact. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received our workflow link. So with this, we have successfully created a workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up a trigger. So if we have selected app and the app event, and this is the webhook URL, that means we are going to use this webhook URL to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL and here I've already logged into my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account and here I've drafted a test campaign inside which I've created a test lead form. So I'm going to use this form to add a webhook. If you're running a live lead form, then you can add the webhook inside that as well. Okay, I have added my business name. Here I've selected some required fields such as first name, last name, email and the phone number. In the right side, you can have a preview of your form and after that you need to scroll it little down. Lastly, you can see the option of lead delivery. Here under this option, you can see the option of webhook integration, and as you know that we are going to use webhook to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So for the URL, we are going to add the webhook URL, and for the key, I'm going to give the name as test. After adding the details, I'm going to click on the send test data button in order to receive the dummy response for all these fields on my webhook URL. That means on my Pabbly's workflow. So it says test data sent. Let's go and check our Pabbly Pabbly's workflow. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a dummy phone number, dummy email address, last name value is last name, and first name value is first name only. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Google Ads, instantly that is going to be added as a new contact inside our Google Contacts. So we're going to build a new connection over here, and then we're going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then we're going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for a first name, last name, and some other details. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new lead through our Google Ads. Instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter /first, and here we're going to search for the first name. So this is the first name. Here for the last name, we are going to map the last name. No middle name is required, so we're going to leave them blank. Then here these fields are not required ones, so I'm going to leave them blank. And for the gender, I'm going to select unspecified. Here we are going to map the email address. Moving forward, again these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. For the phone number, we are going to map the phone number, and with this we have successfully added all the required details. Now here it comes event type. For that we are going to turn on this map button, and then we are going to leave it blank. Same goes with the relation type as well. After adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact inside our Google Contacts. Let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And you can see a new contact has been created over here with the name first name last name. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected our trigger as Google Ads and our action as Google Contacts. So that we're going to receive a new lead through our Google Ads. Instantly it is going to be added as a new contact inside our Google Contacts. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to add your new leads into Google Contacts automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use these same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.